on the first set pa lang, she was already activated by Venice Buzon alongside spikers like Stacy Lopez and Jaja Tulang and
Joan Duguna.
John Duguna. Of course, the angle of Joan Dolorito.
And set number 1, actually maganda yung simula ng Binyan. No? They went up 5-1. Nakahabol si Rizal. Bumawi si Binyan, pero tinapos ng Rizal. Kaya they won that set 25-22. Pagdating ng set number 2, ganun din actually. No? Binyan, 5-1 start. Rizal was able to counter with a 6-1 run to briefly take the lead. Si Binyan, bumawi naman din. 5-1 run. Lumamang sila ng 3 points, but Rizal, a strong finishing kick to this set, 11-2 run. And then, pagdating ng set number 3, we all thought na Binyan will lie down, but at least in the first part of this set, dumikit sila dito before Rizal able to pull away late in set number 3.
Although this was a convincing win for Rizal, but still, itong Binyan, they gave Rizal a hard time in that straight sets win to secure a slot in the semis.
25-22, 25-19, 25-16.